See, 4,000 watch hour is a very big deal for YouTubers. A lot of people have been depressed about this 4,000 watch hour thing. You go do, you will not get this for 4,000 watch hour. Hold on, I'm here to help you. I'm going to tell you 3 things that you need to do that you will get your 4,000 watch hour. How to get 4,000 watch hour in less than 2 weeks or even a month is what I want to be telling you, which I did and it worked for me. This is it here. I'm saying this is it here. In 2 weeks, I've gotten 3,000 watch hour. So I'll be telling you the things you need to do to get 4,000 watch hours. So you need to watch this video to the end so you'll be able to get the juicy and the juicy and the juicy and the juicy of it all. Yes, let's right into it. So number 1, get a viral video. This is for disclaimer. I'm not saying you should do it, but if you want to get 4,000 watch hour quickly, you do it, but it's not by force. I'm not forcing you. Number 1, get a viral video, a video that you know is going viral. Get it if it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 4 minutes, but make sure you get your own that is more than 30 minutes, 12 minutes, that is long. Do you understand? The trick is that after you've gotten the view and maybe you want to get a copyright claim, you go to the YouTube studio to edit it and it will only be left on your own video. That is a very fast way because a lot of people want something that is trendy, which you can do to get your 4,000 watch hour quickly. Number 2, going live. Hold on, this live that you are going, you're playing a game. There is this place here that I'm showing you. You will see games. There's a lot of game. The only thing is that you cannot publicize it when you are done, but the accumulation of the watch time hour you have gotten will be displayed on your YouTube dashboard. Yes, a lot of people will be engaging with you. When I play games, you see when I'm doing the word game, people say this is it, spell this one like this, do it like this. No, why are you going like this in my other channel? It is so magical. So you will get your watch hour, but you cannot publicize it for people to watch it. The last one that I did also is screencast. This here, just find a video, a very good video about yourself or anything that is 1 hour. You can loop it or you can do anything for 1 hour or 2 hours. Put it on screencast. If you want to be there once in a while to check what is going on, you will just see a lot of people will just engage with you. I did that on my other channel. I was doing a faceless channel and I was seeing people were engaging with it with screencasts. If I'm doing my live on game, I will see 80, 100, 150, 200. Sometimes I've seen 300 that will be there playing the game with me and they will not want me to leave my eyes. I'll be feeling sleepy and you will just see it. So just do those things consistently for 3 weeks. You will see that you will get your watch time hour ASAP. I'm telling you this for free. A lot of creators are having this issue of 4,000 watch hour. Even me too, before I see this thing safe, I do like this, do like this, do like this. I meet people, hey, please, how much? What the amount they were calling, I was scared, like, so this money big to get 4,000 watch hour if somebody wants to do it on your behalf. So I had to start searching, doing a lot of things, and it worked for me. I did it for 2 weeks and I got 3,000 watch time hour. Yeah, that this place, like this is my other channel, 3,000 watch hour. I shouted like, so I want to help somebody like me too that don't have that money to go and pay somebody to come and help you get 4,000 watch hour. The money is big. You and I know the amount. I will not call it. That's not why we are here. So I'll be telling you these things and you have to do it consistently. See, or you have the money to go and give them, or you sit down and listen to what I want to say. Do it very well and you'll get your 4,000 watch hour ASAP. Yes, for disclaimer purpose, I'm not forcing you. It's not something that I say you must do, you must do. If you want to do it, fine. If you don't want to do it, I'm just here to help somebody out there. If you do this continuously for 3 weeks, 2 weeks, it depends on how fast you can go. You can even be lucky. You can have just 2 videos that will give you 4,000 watch hour. I'm telling you. So don't sleep on this thing that I'm telling you. If this is what you like to see more often, click on the subscribe button so you get notification when my video pops up. And see you in my next video. Bye.